I got a Voxbox! Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube. Welcome back. Hey. Today I'm excited to bring to you a review I've been waiting so long to do. I promise I did not try to rhyme that. I'm so excited that I got a Voxbox, guys. If you know anything about Influenster, you know that it is a competition almost to try to get a Voxbox. I signed up for Influenster a month ago. I went through everything that I needed to do to try to get a Voxbox, and guess what came in the mail today? If you don't know about Influenster, Influencer is basically a website where you can sign up to review and find out information about products. These products range from household cleaners to makeup. I think they have about 5 million users, and basically you sign up and you link all of your social media accounts to your profile, and the more influence that you have on social media, the more likely you're able to qualify for a box of products that you can try, so that once you try them, you leave a review. And they actually encourage honest reviews, so when I go on there, I actually give an honest review. I say what I honestly feel about a product. I also go on there and ask questions about products that I want to try. I answer questions about products that other people want to try. And I also have a wish list of products that I hope to obtain. Doing that over the past month, I guess that increased my chances and probability in getting a Voxbox, and I finally did. I received an email saying, "We want you for this Voxbox. Are you in?" They gave me a date and time that I needed to respond by. I basically said yes, and then I had to take a little survey, and I forget what was on this survey, but I did the survey and I completed that. Then about a week and a half later, I got an email saying, "Guess what? You're in." And they were telling me how they were going to send me a Voxbox, what makeup products were going to be in it, and when I should get it. And they even provided a tracking number so I knew when it was coming and I could look out for it and everything. Then I have to try the product, and then I have to go back on the site and review the products. And if all goes well and you review the products within the time that the campaign runs, you could possibly qualify for a Voxbox in the future, and even other free makeup products. Apparently it's not that easy to get a box. You actually have to put some work in, and even some people that put in work, I guess, don't necessarily always receive a box. So I'm very, very elated, and I feel very privileged and honored to even receive a box of products by a brand that I actually do wear. So ironic that I was actually couponing at CVS. I wanted to try a foundation stick. I got the Maybelline Superstay foundation stick in 360 Mocha. I also picked up the Maybelline concealer stick in 50 medium deep. And because it was buy two, get $5 in rewards, I also ended up picking up Maybelline Color Tattoo 24-hour cream eyeshadow in Bad to the Bronze. These are all products that I had not tried before. I had never tried a cream eyeshadow. I had never tried a concealer stick or a foundation stick, so I was really excited to get these products and try them. And guess what was in the Voxbox? Well, that's what I'm going to show you today. Without further ado, let me show you the products that they sent me. What they sent was Maybelline, and I used these items in my makeup look today. They sent the Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation, and they also sent the Maybelline New York 24-hour Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade. How did they know my color, you ask? Well, on your profile, Influencer basically goes through a survey of questions for you. They found out your hair color, your skin tone, things like that, so they kind of know what products they should send you based off of the type of products that you enter in that you're most interested in. Obviously, I'm interested in makeup, so everything that I filled out was about makeup. I also stick to makeup when it comes to asking questions about products, writing reviews about products, answering questions about products. My wish list is all makeup products. I pretty much stick to cosmetics and a little bit of skincare and hair care. But I'm so excited that I got some makeup products, and not only am I excited that I got makeup products, I'm excited that I got Maybelline, because I actually use a lot of Maybelline. They sent me the Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in 375 Java. I was pleased to find out that this product is very smooth. When I applied it like I normally would my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and powder, matte and poreless for normal to oily skin. And I was actually getting to the bottom of the pan on that powder, so this powder came just in time. If you flip this up, you will see that there's also a mirror included, and they even have a little sponge applicator. So this is really cool. It's something you can keep in your purse to freshen up throughout the day. Really surprised to find out that this was very creamy to the touch and went on flawlessly. It says that this is 16 hours, so I'm excited to try to wear it for about that long to see how Superstay it is. As for the Maybelline 24-hour Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade, it's supposed to last up to 24 hours. Obviously, I don't think I'll be able to wear this for 24 hours because I'm going to shower and wash my face before I go to bed. I will see how it holds up over the 16 hours that I do. And what came in the kit is the brow pomade in the color 380 deep brown, and they also included a little eyebrow spoolie and angled brush for application. Love the brow pomade. It's what I have on my brows right now. I used it to line my underbrow and to fill in my brow, but I like how it's very subtle. It's not so very harsh, and that the applicator, it's very soft and it actually applies it very lightly, so I didn't get a very harsh look, and I actually love that because it helps it look more natural. I didn't think that I was really going to like this brush because it was so short. So far, after applying these products, I would actually recommend, shout out to Maybelline and Influenster for sending me these. Like I said, I was so very excited and even honored, and I feel like this is a big accomplishment to my YouTube channel after my lovely subscribers who are #1, because you guys could subscribe to any channel here on YouTube, but you're rocking with me, and I really appreciate you guys. I actually recommend Influenster. If you haven't signed up for them, you should. You could possibly win free products. Who doesn't want free products? Yes, and yes. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments below. If you don't know about Influenster, I'll link it below. And you can hit the bell to be notified of my next video. I'm going to link my referral link below. Just know that I'm not getting paid for this at all. This is simply free makeup that they sent me and just want me to review. And if I refer my Brittany fam, for each one of you that signs up, I get 5 impact points, which go to my impact score, and my impact score just raises the probability of me receiving more Voxboxes to review for you in the future. And not only that, by you signing up yourself, you could possibly qualify to win a free Voxbox of products that you can review. And not just any type of free products, free makeup. So click on that link below, guys. And if you want to stay tuned to see me apply my Maybelline products, you can check out this little snippet right now. See you guys next time.